I hear honks.
Okay, cool. That wasn't just me. Jesus Christ. I was horrified for a second, like, oh god.
At this point, we need everything but metal.
Okay, cool.
Oh
Yeah,
my
I am
god.
haunted. I don't like that echoing honk.
Jesus Christ. Woo! Making me fucking sweat here.
He's breaking out in a cold fucking sweat.
You don't get it. I'm on the fucking asteroid mining right now, so when I hear that shit, it's like, uh-oh.
Oh no!
Oh, stinky.
As the Smasher enters the room, the only thing you hear.
I don't like it. Was that you? Nope, I swear to God.
What?
You just said the only thing you hear, and then I just hear an echoed honk in the distance. God damn it, no.
I'm not in the game with you, so I can't fucking hear any of this bullshit. I don't know what you're talking
No,
about.
but you're in the voice chat, retard.
Yeah, that.
This is one of Nehem's fucking pranks, isn't it? Very funny.
I wasn't honking.
I think this is all set up.
Hey, what? No, no.
What is going on?
Crate unlocks. Cool.
Yeah.
Let's shoot up a train.
I heard the honk again!
You stop that.
Okay, I think I heard that too. What the hell?
See, I told you I'm not crazy.
Fucking ISP.
Yeah.
What they have to say? What just happened?
I just heard an explosion, I'm scared. What happened to the cafeteria?
Outside interference.
My screen shook.
Oh,
What
no.
are you?
There's no cafeteria anymore.
What are you retards doing up there?
And you got the soup, please come in and get me. It's too late.
Oh yeah, he's dead.
Oh god. Wait, TF, are you actually dead?
Yeah, because someone...
What do I got all this shit on the planet for?
Hold on, I'm gonna see if I
I'm
can...
coming up, I'm taking all this shit up there, I'm coming up with fucking explosives and a stun baton. I'm going to figure out what the fuck
Here,
happened.
open up
You
this door,
retards
we'll
are gonna
see if we-
stay right there.
I have done nothing.
I just heard a
Stop
honk.
that! You stop that!
Alright, I've successfully scanned. Yeah.
I didn't even hear it this time.
Later.
You're not even...
Stay the fuck away from me! Get back here, Hatter! Get back here! You piece of
Hatter's
shit!
the captain, you need to obey
I'll
him.
kill you! Come back, you
could
drop that shit right
Hey,
now!
don't
Drop
forget.
that shit right now! Drop that shit right now!
Let me see what you have! A knife!
Just one lonely.
Where's
honk.
Hatter? It's gone this way, I can tell. I can smell your cock, Hatter. You get back here.
That's disgusting.
Hatter, drop it! Please! Please!
I beg you! Is that you?
I can't do anything.
I was gonna say, we need to come back and finalize
We gotta go, Hatter, we gotta go!
Claris is too busy trying to blow up the entirety of medical. Oh my god, and I just heard an explosion.
I'm gonna be real, that one might have been me.
Blew up that fucking office.
Jesus Christ, Claris. There's a reason we had the message of the day saying not to trust you. Alright, Hat, we need to get back into medical to finalize TF's cloning
I gotta go
process.
find some more bombs. I mean, give tonight.
Why did I hear what sounded like a fucking clown?
Oh, what is it doing bouncing around between each of us now?
Oh, there, and I just heard another
Oh, I don't want to hear this honking anymore. I don't want to hear it anymore.
Yes. God damn.
Why do you have to make everything difficult, TF?
Let me alone.
By the way, if you ever come back to life, like, you're gonna have a shitload of plasma and gold and all sorts of shit, okay?
Why am I laughing at the monkey slipping? Good God, I'm retarded.
What is this? Hatter? Hatter? What is that?
What?
What is what?
This?
Why?
What is this?
Why is this to a monkey? Wait,
What is this?
hold up here. Why does this monkey have the Johnny Bravo hair?
Hatter?
What happened? Yeah,
I
what?
remember hearing something about Johnny Bravo in the beginning, and now I'm hearing about a monkey with Johnny Bravo here, and now I'm scared.
No, but I'm just gonna I'm gonna send this in the thingy. But what are you looking at, Claire, that you're so freaked out about?
this?
my god!
Oh, there's a monkey.
What do you mean? What am I looking at? Fucking.
Monkey, he's such a cad.
Well, time for Nehem to go down in a blaze of glory.
Hell yeah.
That's me, you retard.
Claire?
Hatter, are you okay?
Patsy punches head.
Hatter, Hatsy is knocked down. Hatsy throws up. Are you alright, man?
I think I ate too much.
Did someone blow up my department?
No, Clarissa blew up Hatter's office, and then someone blew up the cafeteria.
I think Claire's pretty sus.
Harry usually is always the one trying to, like, go nuts.
Hey, I blew up fucking Hatter's office. That makes me safe.
Are you delusional?
Why did you blow me up, Hatter?
I didn't.
Dude, you were the only one who gave me the guitar, and as soon as I hit that last part of the song, that's when I exploded.
You think I know how to do that?
Yes.
Why would I know how to do that?
He says, lying through his teeth. Watch, it's been fucking sleepy this whole time, putting Mindbreaker in our fucking fruit and shit.
No, don't put the ID on the floor, you fuck nut.
Okay, maybe not.
Well, that's the story. Yes, they are all idiots, aren't they?